Hi everyone, now see your second practical experiment is SCR control rectifier. Okay, you know that what is the SCR? SCR is the silicon control rectifier. Okay, in that the silicon control rectifier is the most important and mostly used member of the thyristor family. Okay, in the thyristor family, the silicon control rectifier is mostly important and mostly used. Okay, then in this SCR can be used for different applications. SCR is used for the different applications. In that, like a rectification, like a regulation of power and inversion of power, etc. Okay, like a diode, silicon control rectifier is a unidirectional device. SCR is a unidirectional device that allows the current in one direction and opposes in another direction. That means in this SCR, this is the unidirectional. That means the current is allows to the one direction and opposed to the another direction. Okay, in this way this SCR is workout. Okay, then this SCR is a three terminal device. SCR is a three terminal device like a anode, cathode and gate. Okay, now see in our experiment, firstly aim of the experiment is to build and test controlled rectifier. To build and test the control rectifier, then used different apparatus of our experiment is SCR. Here used two SCRs, SCR1 and SCR2 and SN100. This number of SCR is used in our experiment. Then DC power supply, direct current power supply. Then voltmeter and current meter. By use the observe the voltage in a voltmeter and current observe on by using the current meter. Okay, then see the circuit diagram. This is a circuit diagram of our experiment. Is see here the AC mains 230 volt in 50 hertz AC main supply here use, and here use the transformer is 12012 transformer. These transformers connection are here connected in two SCRs. In SCR cathode anode gate terminals, in here in our circuit diagram both SCRs anode terminals are connected in a ट्रान्सफॉर्मर. ओके, ट्रान्सफॉर्मरच्या दोन्ही टर्मिनलला काय केलेलं आहे, प्रायमरी अँड सेकंडरीला SCRचे ॲनोड कनेक्ट केलेले आहेत. देन these SCRs cathode terminals which are connected in a common. See here which are connected in common and connected in common and connected 1 kilo ohm resistors which are connected in a ground. Okay, and these resistors across voltage are measured. These voltages VRL, that means the output voltage, that means the load resistor voltage. Okay, then these two SCRs gate terminal which are connected to 1 kilo ohm resistors, and these resistors are connected in a parallel. Okay, see in our circuit diagram in this way connected parallelly to kilo ohm resistor. Both resistors are connected common and commonly connected in a IG. Here used a current meter 0 to 100 milliammeter. This current meter are used to observe the currents. Okay, then negative terminal connected in a two connected resistors parallel and positive terminal of current meter which are connected in a variable of a pot. Here used a 10 kilo pot. Okay, 10K चा pot इथे यूज केलेले आहे. Then this 10K pot negative which are connected in a ground and positive is connected in a TPSU. That means the here used 1 to 30 volt by using the TPSC. TPSC, that means the here used a power supply. Okay, by apply the voltage in our circuit. Okay, see in this way this circuit diagram is here shown in figure. Then SCR pin configuration. See here the SCR SN100 silicon control rectifier, which are 3 terminal device. Here C, K is the cathode, A is the anode, G is the gate. Cathode, anode, gate. Okay. Then see the observation table. Okay. In our experiment, see here the two parts of the observation table, part first and part second. In here, first part here in a serial number. Okay, up to the 10 or 11 readings are here observed. Then gate current in millimeter. Gate current is measured on the millimeter. In here indicate the IG, and DC voltage in volt. These DC voltage which are observed across the load resistor. Here in our circuit diagram, connected load resistor 1 kilo ohm, where the cathode terminal of both SCRs which are connected in common, and connected 1 kilo ohm resistor to ground. These resistors across measure the voltage, and this voltage is the DC voltage in volt. Okay, in this first observation table, in our circuit diagram, TPSU here set to the 10 to 11 voltage. 10 to 11 voltage set, and then in this our circuit diagram used a 10K pot. These pot are vary, so vary the gate current as well as the output voltage. तो पॉट व्हॅरी करून आपण काय करणार आहोत, गेट करंट अँड व्होल्टेज ऑब्झर्व करणार आहोत. ओके, इन दिस वे द डिफरंट 10 to 11 readings are here observed in the first part. Then second part is the, see here, second part is the load resistance. Okay, here in load resistance serial numbers here same that of observe the 10 to 11 readings. Then load resistance in ohm and output voltage in volt. Okay, in this second part here in our circuit diagram, 1 kilo ohm resistor are removed, and here connected resistance box. Okay, here resistance box are replaced in the 1 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, so in this resistance box remove the resistance keys in a different resistance, and across the resistance box we observe the output voltage in volt. ओके, या रेजिस्टन्स बॉक्सवरचे जे रेजिस्टन्स की असतील त्या की आपण काय करणार आहे, 1 by 1 रेजिस्टन्स हा तिथं की काढून काय करणार, त्याच्या अक्रॉसचा आउटपुट व्होल्टेज मेजर करणार. इन दिस वे बोथ ऑब्झर्वेशन्स in first part, when the current is increased then output voltage is increases, and in second part when the load resistance is increased then output voltage is again increases. Okay, so comment or results of our experiment here. SCR control rectifier circuit built and tested successfully in this way. Okay, so here draw the two graphs by using the observation table, part first and part second. In part first here graph is draw the load resistance voltage in y axis and gate current in millimeter in this current is a x axis. Okay, in this way when the load current is increases gate current is increases, then load voltage is again increases. Okay, and then this second graph is draw by using the observation part second. Here in y axis output voltage in volt, and in x axis load resistance. Here when the load resistance is increases, then output voltage is again increases. Okay, in this way these our experiment in a SCR control rectifier chart explain are here completed. I think got it all of you, this experiment chart. Okay, and stop here. Thank you all of you.